On September 19, 1991, a startling discovery was made that would captivate history enthusiasts around the world. Two German tourists, Helmut and Erika Simon, stumbled upon something extraordinary in the eastern Alps, near the Austria-Italy border. Preserved in the icy embrace of a retreating glacier, lay the mummified remains of a man frozen in time for over 5,000 years. The body was found at an elevation of 3,210 meters in the Ötztal Alps, inspiring the nickname Ötzi. The discovery site was a harsh, rugged terrain, providing a scenic yet somber backdrop for this significant archaeological find. The ice preserved not only the body, but also artifacts offering a glimpse into Chalcolithic European life. The initial reaction to Ötzi's discovery was one of disbelief and wonder. Who was this man? How did he die in such a remote place? The body was remarkably well preserved, with skin, hair and facial features intact, providing a unique opportunity for scientific study. This discovery was about unlocking a doorway to the distant past. Researchers from various disciplines converged on the site, eager to unravel Ötzi's mysteries. With each layer of ice removed, more details emerged, adding to the intrigue surrounding the ancient Iceman. This marked the beginning of a journey into prehistoric Europe, guided by the frozen remains of a man from millennia ago. The artifacts found alongside Ötzi paint a vivid picture of his existence and the environment he inhabited. Among these were his clothing, tools and weapons, each crafted with remarkable skill and care. Ötzi's attire included a coat, leggings, a loincloth and shoes, all made from different types of animal skins, demonstrating a sophisticated understanding of the materials available to him and their respective properties. Ötzi's gear included a copper axe, which at the time was a cutting-edge technology. The axe's head was attached to a U-handle and represented a significant advancement in metalworking. This tool not only indicated his status, possibly a high-ranking tribe member, but also highlighted the transition between the Stone Age and the Copper Age. Additionally, his quiver filled with arrows, a flint knife and a birch bark container suggests that he was well prepared for long journeys or conflict. The level of craftsmanship in Ötzi's belongings provides insights into the daily life and technological prowess of his people. His shoes were waterproof and wide, designed for walking over the snow, and his coat, stitched together from different pieces of leather, showed an intimate knowledge of garment making adapted for cold climates. These items reflect a community that was adept at utilizing their natural resources to make life in the challenging alpine environment manageable. Moreover, the food found in his stomach, an assortment of grains, meats and fruits, offers a glimpse into the diet of ancient alpine dwellers. The variety and preparation of these foods suggests that Ötzi's society had a complex understanding of nutrition and cooking methods. Each artifact found with Ötzi serves as a puzzle piece in reconstructing his life and the time he lived in, providing a bridge across time to the dawn of human civilization in Europe. The state of preservation that Ötzi was found in has allowed forensic scientists a rare opportunity to investigate his health, lifestyle, and ultimately the circumstances surrounding his death. Through various modern scientific techniques, such as CT scans and DNA analysis, researchers have pieced together a detailed picture of Ötzi's final days and the challenges he faced. Analyses have shown that Ötzi was about 45 years old at the time of his death, a respectable age for someone from his era. He suffered from several health issues, including arthritis and atherosclerosis, which are visible in the wear on his bones and the condition of his blood vessels. Additionally, he was found to have been infected with parasitic worms, which would have contributed to his discomfort and possibly his nutritional deficiencies. What's more intriguing is that Ötzi met a violent end. A deep wound was discovered on his right hand, and an arrowhead was lodged in his shoulder, indicating that he had been involved in a skirmish shortly before his death. The location and nature of these wounds suggest that he might have been fleeing from an assailant or possibly ambushed. This forensic evidence paints a picture of a man living in a time of conflict, struggling not just against the elements, but also against human adversaries. The contents of his digestive system have also provided clues. His last meal consisted of a high-fat diet which might have been consumed to prepare for a strenuous journey or escape. This detail, combined with the location of his body, suggests that Ötzi might have been trying to cross the Alps, possibly to escape his pursuers or to return to his home. This aspect of forensic science not only reconstructs the physical aspects of Ötzi's life, but also illuminates the human story behind the remains. Theories unfolded. Contemplating the cause of death. The circumstances of Ötzi's death have been a subject of much speculation and debate among historians and archaeologists. Several theories have been proposed, each supported by different pieces of evidence gleaned from the site and the mummy itself. One prominent theory suggests that Ötzi was a victim of a ritual sacrifice, a practice that was not uncommon in various ancient cultures. This theory points to the careful placement of his body and belongings as possible indicators of ceremonial significance. Another theory posits that Ötzi was murdered. The presence of an arrowhead embedded in his shoulder and the defensive wound on his hand support this idea. It is speculated that Ötzi might have had a confrontation with a rival tribe, or was perhaps targeted for his valuable copper axe, a symbol of power and status. This scenario paints a picture of a brutal and violent prehistoric world where personal conflicts could have fatal consequences. Alternatively, some researchers suggest that Ötzi died of exposure or natural causes after being injured. The harsh conditions of the Alps are well known, and even a minor injury could have been debilitating, preventing Ötzi from finding shelter or continuing his journey. This theory considers the environmental challenges that Ötzi faced, which could have been just as lethal as any human adversary. Each theory offers a different perspective on the end of Ötzi's life, reflecting the complexities of historical and forensic analysis. The debate over how Ötzi died adds to the intrigue of his story and demonstrates the depth of human curiosity about the past. These theories not only strive to solve the mystery of his death, but also enrich our understanding of human history and cultural development. The echoes of Ötzi implications and enduring mysteries. The discovery of Ötzi, the Iceman, has had a profound impact on both the scientific community and the public's imagination. It has not only expanded our knowledge of Chalcolithic Europe, but has also influenced the field of archaeological science. Techniques developed and refined through the study of Ötzi, such as freeze-drying for preservation, have been applied to other archaeological finds around the world. Ötzi's remains provide a tangible connection to our distant ancestors, offering insights into their daily lives, health, and the environmental conditions they faced. This has sparked a renewed interest in prehistoric human history, leading to increased funding and research in archaeology and related disciplines. The study of Ötzi has bridged the gap between scientific inquiry and public interest, making ancient history accessible and engaging to a broad audience. However, many mysteries about Ötzi's life and death remain unresolved. Questions about his social status, the exact route he took through the Alps, and the reasons for his presence at such a high altitude continue to puzzle researchers. Each unanswered question invites further study and speculation, keeping the legacy of Ötzi alive in the scientific community and the collective human consciousness. As research continues, The story of Ötzi provides a valuable lesson on the impermanence of life and the enduring nature of human curiosity. His discovery is a reminder of the intricate connections between the past and present, teaching us about the resilience and ingenuity of our ancestors. Ötzi is not just a historical figure, he is a messenger from the past, his life and death continuing to inform and inspire the future of archaeological and historical sciences.